So hello, today we are going to learn about odd and even numbers, finding patterns everywhere. Hello class 4 math results. Today we explore special numbers, even and odd, discovering cool number pattern all around us, presented by Saundarya Joshi. So what are even numbers? Even numbers, what they can. They are the perfect pairs, number that can be divided into two equal groups with no one left out. Everyone has a partner. Means they are in pair, means they are two or four or six, means no one is left out in that perfect pair and they are called even numbers. Ending digits. So how we find even number in our daily life? Even number always end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. This is a quick way to spot them. Whenever you see any number, you just look at the last digit of that number, whether it is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. By this means you can find out whether it is even number or odd number. For example, think of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and see the pattern. And here you can see 2, 4, 6, 8. They all are moving in the increasing order, or we can say in ascending order, with a gap of two numbers. Means 2 is adding in the even number around us. They are the pair of shoes, just like your shoes. How many shoes you in pair of shoes? You have two shoes, right? They always come in pair. Means it has a pair. You have six shoes. You have three perfect pairs. Next example is of wheels on vehicles. Whenever you see any car or any vehicle, look at the car with four-wheel car has four wheels, or you can see the bicycles with the two wheels. The example of even number in action. Next is hands on a clock. So what is hands on a clock? A clock always have two hands. Clock has two hands for hours, one hand for minute, showing us evenness. Next is legs on animals. Most animals, for example, cow or any other dog or goat, have an even number. Example two. Let's move further. What are odd numbers? Let's talk about the odd numbers. They are in uneven group, means they do not make a perfect group. Numbers that cannot be divided into two equal groups. One friend is always left alone. If you divide the odd numbers in two groups, they will not make a perfect group and one is always left out. And if we see about the ending digit, odd number always ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, keeping an eye out for these. As you have seen in the even number, now this is for the odd number, like ending digits are 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. For example, think of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Can you see how 1 is always left out? Means when you will make a pair, even. Odd numbers around us. Fingers on hand. Count the fingers on your hand. You have four fingers and one is thumb. Means in a group they make five. Means that is odd number. Hold up on hand. How many fingers do you see? Find that is odd number. Next is points on a star. How many points are there on the star? Please count it. I think you have counted it right. And there are 5 points, right? It making it an odd number. Leaves on a shamrock. How many leaves does it have? It has three leaves. Next is traffic light. Next time you see a traffic light, count the colors. Usually there are three: red, yellow, and green. Let's move further. Patterns with odd and even number. For example, you can see on the number line, whenever you mark the even number on the number line, you have to skip the counting by 2. That is, you have to start from 0 and skip the counting from 2. And in odd number, you have to skip counting from, you start from 1 and skip counting from 2 again. But you have to see the starting number. They have very different starting numbers, like for even number starting is from 0 and for odd number starting is from 1. Adding numbers first. Okay, whenever you add even an even number, it gives an even number, right? For example, 4 plus 6 is equals to 10. Next is whenever you add two odd numbers, it gives an even number. For example, 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. Next is Adding numbers fun. Whenever you add even and odd number, it gives an odd number. For example, 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. See the result. Odd and even in daily life. For example, counting socks. Whenever you search for your sock or whenever you have washed your clothes and search to wear it, you're always looking for a pair. Like when doing laundry, you need pair. If one is missing, you have an odd number of socks. Setting up tables. Chairs often come in even number. Whenever you order any table set and chair count with it, it comes in an even number. For example, 4 or 6 for balance around the dining table. Team sports. Playing in teams are often in even number. Whenever we make any team, we divide the group in equal number of members, right? House numbers. Have you noticed one side of the street often has odd number and other has a is some quick challenge for you. Now you have to see a bus number. Check the bus number in your surrounding. Is your school bus number odd or even? How do you do? Write it down and check it, right? Second is pencil pair. If you have 7 pencils, how many pencil pair you make? How many are left? You have to answer these questions. And the next is ending digits clue. What's special about the number ending 02468? So these are your challenge time. Now you have to answer these questions and review yourself. Always look for pattern. They make math